Hi everyone, I am Sanjana SS. I pursuing my MBA at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to present characteristics of successful communication. Before going to the topic, I would like to explain meaning of communication. Communication is the process of sharing information between two or more people. Communication involves the transfer or exchange of information between individuals or groups. Essentially, it's about sharing ideas or information through speaking, writing, listening, or reading. This interaction at its core connects two or more people is an exchange of thoughts or messages. Characteristics of successful communication. First point is active listening, second is non-verbal communication, third point is clarity and consistency, fourth is empathy, fifth is adaptability. Active listening. Active listening is crucially for effective communication. This is means fully focusing on what the other person is saying without interrupting or planning your response where they are speaking. It involves not just hearing the words but understanding the message behind them. Nodding, maintaining eye contact, and asking clarifying questions are all ways to show you are actively listening. Second point is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication, also called mutual language, is the process of sending and receiving messages without using words, either spoken or written. Common example of manual language includes facial expression, gesture, body posture, and eye contact. Similarly to the way that italicizing emphasizes written language, non-verbal behavior may emphasize part of verbal message. And third point is clarity. Successful communication begins with a clear messages. When you communicate clearly, you avoid misunderstanding. The language used should be simple, direct, avoid overly complex sentence that could confuse your audience. In written or verbal communication, it's crucially to make the purpose of your messages explicit so that receiving knows exactly what you mean. And fourth point is empathy. Empathy is communication means putting yourself in the other person's shoes and understanding their emotions and perspective. It involves recognizing not just the connect of the message but also the feelings behind it. Responding with empathy helps to build trust and connect. For example, saying I understanding how that a situation could be frustrating shows that you value the other person's emotions. And next point is adaptability. Not all communication situations are the same, so it's important to adopt your style based on the context. This means adjusting your message according to the audience, where it's formal business settings, a casual conversation with friends, or communicating with people from their different cultural backgrounds. Flexibility in communication helps ensure that the message is receiving in the intended way. And next point is respect. Respecting the other person's opinion and feelings is key to successful communication even when you disagree. Respectful communication involves acknowledging the other person's viewpoints without building or dismissing them, using the positive language and begins considerate about timing and context are way to show respect in communication. And appropriate tone. The tone of voice or the mode of your message plays a significant role in how it's received. A warm and friendly tone can create a positive atmosphere, while harsh or condescending tone can lead to defensiveness. Similarly, the tone should match the situation. For example, a formal tone for professional settings and a relaxed tone for casual conversation. A balanced tone helps maintaining mutual respect and understanding. And last point is feedback. Effective communication is a two-way process and feedback is essentially for ensuring understanding. Feedback involves giving constructive response and also seeking feedback or whether your messages was understood correctly. For example, you might say, let me know if something I said was unclear, or you cannot ask for a summary of the conversation to ensure mutual understanding. And conclusion. In conclusion, successful communication is built on a key characteristics such as clarity, active listening, empathy, and respect. Effective communication are able to express the ideas in a clear and consistent manner while also begins attentive to the needs and perspectives of others. Nonverbal causes, emotional intelligence, and feedback also play essential roles in fostering meaningful interactions. By embracing these principles, individuals and organizations can enhance their relationship, resolve conflicts, and achieve better outcomes in both personal and professional settings. Thank you.